In this video, we will see how we have to construct NFA diagram for the password verification. Here totally we are having 5 conditions. The first condition, the password length should be 8. The password should start with uppercase letter, then followed by 3 lowercase letter, then followed by 3 digits, then followed by 1 uppercase letter. So this is a condition. So first start, maximum length is what? 8. Start with 1 uppercase plus 3 lowercase plus 3 digits. So totally 7. Then followed by 1 uppercase. So totally here we have to construct 8 characters for the password verification. Okay, so if you want to construct an NFA diagram, means first we have to decide number of states. Okay, so here in condition, what's the maximum length? It should be 8. Okay, so 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, total number of states needed. Okay, for constructing NFA diagram, totally we need 9 states. So start with 1, then end with 9. So this is a basic diagram. Okay, then we have to draw the input symbols. So first it start with what? Uppercase. It may be A or B or C, or it may be Z. So here it start with what? Means uppercase. So capital A to Z set value. Capital A to Z set value. Then followed by what? 3 lowercase letters. It may be any combination of lowercase. Okay, so you just put lowercase set value here. What is the set value? Small a to z, the first one, first set. Okay, next again small a to z, second one. Okay, then third one small a to z. Start with uppercase followed by 3 lowercase letter. Okay, then followed by digits. Okay, the digit may be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, we don't know. Okay, so here what is the digit set? It may start with 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 9, we don't know. Okay, so just mention that set value here. Okay, 0 to 9. How many sets? How many digits? 3 digits. So first digit, second digit set, next third digit set. Okay, then finally followed by 1 uppercase letter. What's the uppercase? It may be capital A or B or C or D or up to Z. We don't know exactly. So you just write that set value. Okay, so where we have to write? Here, because it's end with what? 1 uppercase. So start with, here this is starting, start with uppercase followed by 3 lowercase letter followed by 3 digits. Okay, then followed by 1 uppercase letter. We don't know exactly, so we have to mention that set value. Okay, so this is called as NFA diagram. NFA diagram for the password verification. Thank you.